9 Health benefits of basil seeds. The most notable health benefits of basil seeds include their ability to improve digestive health, aid in weight loss efforts, boost the appearance of the skin, strengthen the hair, regulate blood sugar, cool the body, relieves stress, builds strong bones, lowers blood pressure, improve vision, reduce inflammation, lower cholesterol, and prevent certain infections. Skin care. With such an impressive concentration of antioxidants and flavonoids, basil seeds are able to improve the health of the skin and stimulate the growth of new cells. The antioxidants are able to counter the effects of free radicals, which can cause oxidative stress and eventually lead to cellular mutation, resulting in wrinkles, age spots, and blemishes. Regular use of these seeds can reduce the appearance of those marks, as well as scars, and act as an anti-aging substance. The study led by Dr. Shinde throws light on the antioxidant and anti-aging properties of basil. The study validates the traditional use of holy basil as a youth-promoting substance in the Ayurvedic system of medicine. It also helps describe how the herb acts at a cellular level, says Shinde. Hair care. With a significant level of iron and various antioxidants, as well as vitamin K, basil seeds can stimulate the production of hair and prevent premature hair loss. The iron is essential for circulation to drive blood to the scalp and is also required for the production of strong hair from the follicles. The antioxidants in these seeds will help prevent inflammation and oxidative stress on the scalp, which can often lead to hair loss. Weight loss. Basil seeds are extremely high in fiber, which works to bulk up the stool and make you feel full to prevent overeating and snacking between meals. Furthermore, when these seeds are digested, they may swell to 20 times their original size, physically filling you up and satisfying your appetite, making it much easier to avoid those calorie-heavy snacks. Lower cholesterol levels. Studies have shown that sweet basil seeds are directly associated with a decrease in LDL or bad cholesterol levels, which means a lower risk of atherosclerosis and plaque deposition in the arteries and blood vessels. This will also reduce strain on the heart and reduce your chances of heart attack and stroke. Control blood pressure. Research has found that the level of potassium in basil seeds is enough to directly impact blood pressure. This hypertensive effect is because potassium is a vasodilator, meaning that it can relax the tension in the arteries and blood vessels, thus reducing strain on the cardiovascular system. Boost bone health. With a diverse range of minerals in basil seeds, including iron, potassium, copper, calcium, manganese, and magnesium, eating these seeds on a regular basis will help improve bone mineral density. This will lower your risk of developing osteoporosis, keeping you feeling young and strong as you age. A study published in BMC Complementary and Alternative Medicine shows that the aqueous extracts of parsley, basil, and chicory protects bones against glucocorticoid induced in rats. Control blood sugar. A number of studies have shown that the active ingredients, such as dietary fiber, found in basil seeds are able to control blood sugar levels. For people suffering from type 2 diabetes, this is a very important benefit of these seeds, as the inability to control insulin and glucose levels is a potentially deadly part of that condition. A glass of water with basil seeds in the morning can improve your insulin sensitivity throughout the day. Cooling effects. In many Asian countries, basil seeds are famed for their cooling effects on the body, as they can help retain the cold temperatures of beverages and essentially soothe the stomach. While this is a vague and somewhat arbitrary health benefit, these seeds are popularly consumed by people suffering from fevers and other inflammatory conditions, where this cooling effect seems most pronounced. Improve vision. Given these seeds' notable amount of vitamin A, they are often recommended for people with failing vision or those with high levels of oxidative stress. Vitamin A acts as a powerful antioxidant in the retina, preventing the development of cataracts and slowing down the advent of macular degeneration. Basil seed side effects. These seeds can deliver a significant number of health benefits, but that comes along with a few side effects, such as the choking hazard they pose, as well as potential hormone fluctuations. Pregnant women. One of the side effects of basil seeds is their potential impact on hormone levels in the body, namely estrogen. This can be dangerous for pregnant women, as it can stimulate menstruation and may result in complications for the baby. Thyroid issues. Those who suffer from thyroid imbalances or other hormonal issues should not use these seeds before speaking with their doctor. Choking hazard. Due to the effect that water and liquids have on these seeds, an improper ratio of liquid to seeds can result in a large gelatinous clump that can potentially be difficult to swallow. For this reason, these seeds are not recommended for anyone with swallowing difficulties, young children or the elderly. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to our channel.